What's up guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm playing a realistic car driving game, and it's winter updated. I haven't played this game just to let you guys know, but I guess we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna mute and try to figure this out so I can think. Because if I'm not muted, I'll start talking and I can't think. Because I actually don't know how to play this game because I have not played this one. I can see it's realistic. Sure, for sure. Okay guys, we're gonna sell the car and buy this car that I want. It kinda looks like the older BMWs. Like that one BMW that looks very nice, so I'm gonna try to sell this one. I'll get $2,000. Wow. And I paid $3,000, jeez. That's, I'm gonna have $9 left. Yep. $9 left. Jeez. I did not know that. But we're gonna spawn that. I kinda hit the wrong button to get out. No. Come on. No. No. Well, yes it is. I can tell by the headlights it is. Let's go. Straight up into that mountain. car's not nice, not doesn't look that nice, but it is a sports. These stupid pajamas keep getting caught on my gaming chair. Pajamas are long, but on my PJs. For this sport $1,000, which I should be able to get. I go here, I click this, I sell it, I'll get 5,000 for it, which should give me enough to not buy the car. I know. I have owned none. Low to high. It goes very fast, but oh, that puts it cheap at the very bottom. Yeah. Look how fast it goes. I guess that's the end of today's video. I know this one was boring as well, if you guys watched the other one. But if you guys want to help support, please hit that like and subscribe button. Not forcing, because I know YouTubers are forced, and that's I don't know how they earn subscribers, but I was told never to not to say it a lot, because you can also lose them because you're like begging them to do it. But if you guys want to support me, I'm just saying, I'm not saying you have to, I'm saying if you want to support me, please hit that subscribe button and like button if you want to support, but you don't have to. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace.